Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q3 versus GLA 200. Let's dive into their key differences to help you decide which compact luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll explore how each vehicle performs on the road, what their interiors offer in terms of comfort and technology, and ultimately, which one provides better value for your investment. Stay tuned to discover the strengths of both these popular models. When it comes to performance, the Audi Q3, specifically the 45 TFSI model, boasts a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 228 horsepower. It comes standard with Quattro all-wheel drive, offering composed and confident handling. The Mercedes-Benz GLA 200, on the other hand, features a 1.3-liter turbocharged engine with 161 horsepower, typically in a front-wheel drive configuration. The GLA often feels a bit more responsive and engaging to drive, with slightly softer suspension for comfort. Inside, both SUVs offer premium experiences. The Audi Q3 presents a minimalist cabin with a 10.1-inch touchscreen and a separate digital instrument cluster. It also provides physical controls for climate and versatile sliding rear seats. The Mercedes-Benz GLA 200 counters with a more luxurious feel, featuring a striking widescreen cockpit with dual 10.25-inch displays and the intuitive MBUX infotainment system. Both offer ample cargo space, with the GLA having a slight edge at 50.1 cubic feet with seats folded, compared to the Q3's 48 cubic feet. Considering value, the Audi Q3 generally offers competitive fuel economy, with combined ratings often between 23 and 25 miles per gallon. The Mercedes-Benz GLA 200 also delivers good efficiency, with some models achieving an average of 36.2 real miles per gallon. The Q3 often appeals to those seeking standard all-wheel drive and a more traditional luxury feel, while the GLA attracts buyers with its sporty aesthetics and cutting-edge infotainment. Ultimately, your choice depends on prioritizing driving dynamics, interior style, and specific features. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.